Hey guys, welcome back to Dino Codes. If you have watched my previous videos, you know that I am working on AI desktop assistant and it's similar to Iron Man's Jarvis, a little similar. To take one step ahead, I have added the functionality of virtual mouse. That means I can handle my laptop with my fingers using this feature. So let's take a look how it works. Hey Dino, hey Dino, open virtual mouse.
Recognizing.
So it will detect, it has detected the input and now it will open the mouse module. It takes some time as it has to load some libraries. As you can see, it has opened the virtual mouse module, and now as soon as I put my hand in the camera frame, it detects my hand, and whenever I point my index finger up, it will locate my index tip of index finger, and it will map that position on the screen to the mouse pointer. As you can see, I'm moving my index finger inside this pink box, and my mouse is also moving with relative to my index finger's location. So let's say I have to make a click. How will I do that? So to make a click, what I will do is I will bring my middle finger up, and then I will bring these two fingers close, so it will make the click. So to drag this folder from this location to another location, what I will do is I will bring these two fingers close again, and I will keep it close, and then when I have to place it from this location to different location, I will just bring these fingers apart, and it will just put the folder. Now if I have to let's say I have to make some task, and my hand is like shaking and I have to stop the mouse pointer, so I will bring my thumb up and it will stop the mouse, and then I can click. As you can see, we have made the clicks. So just close it, and that's it guys. This is the virtual mouse that I have added to my desktop assist. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have liked the video, please do subscribe and share it with your friends.